The Panaz range of topical treatments offers the most advanced, safe and long-term protection, essential for any locations and any situation that demands the highest standards of hygiene. For new or newly cleaned upholstery or hard surface, use Spray Shiedplus Protect. It creates an invisible protective layer, delivering a unique antimicrobial barrier that kills microbes immediately on contact for up to 90 days. And has never been shown to allow adaptation, resistance, mutation or migration. This exceptional chemistry is also available as Shiedplus Laundry, a wash-in treatment that brings the benefits of Protect to the washing cycle with an integral fabric conditioner. Shiedplus Laundry infuses towels and bedding with long-lasting antimicrobial properties, which have demonstrated such benefits as reduced infection, which aids in the control of bed sores. And as Panaz Shiedplus is water-based, it doesn't contain heavy metals. There's no methanol, arsenic, polychlorinated phenols or formaldehyde, and it has been exhaustively tested for cytotoxicity. Moreover, it lacks the strong odour of other products, ensuring it is more pleasant to use. For further information or supporting certification, don't hesitate to contact Panaz at info@panaz.co.uk.